Let's start with the multiplication of a two-digit number with 11. For example, 34 into 11. In this case, we bring down the right digit as it is. We add the two digits of the numbers. 3 plus 4 is 7, and we bring down the left digit to the left. So the answer of this is 374. Let's try another example. 52 into 11. In this case too, we bring down 2 as it is. 5 plus 2 becomes 7, and 5 is brought down to the left. So 572 is the answer. Let's try another example. 93 multiplied by 11. So 3 comes down as it is. 9 plus 3 becomes 12. So 2 and 1 is a carryover. Now instead of bringing back 9 as it is, we add in the carryover, and that becomes 1023. Now let's start with another number having more than 2 digits. For example, 3472 multiplied by 11. Now since 11 has 2 digits, we would add a 0 on either side. So the number we would consider would be this. And in this case, we would add 2 digits at a time. 2 and 0 would give you 2. 7 and 2 would give you 9. 7 and 4 would give you 11 with a 1 carryover. 4 and 3 give you 7 plus 1 as a carryover would become 8. And 0 and 3 would remain 3. So the answer would be 38192. Let's try another big number. In this case too, we would write the number as it is. Since 11 has 2 digits, we would go ahead and add 1 0. Basically, the number of zeros you add would be 1 less than the number of digits. So in this case, we would go ahead and add 0 plus 0 would be 0, 1 0 would make it 1, 4 plus 1 would make it 5, 5 plus 4 makes it 9, and 0 and 5 make it 5. So the answer would be 59510. Now using the same logic, let's try a multiplication of a big number, for example this, with 111. In this case, since we have 3 1's, we would go ahead and add 2 zeros on either side of the number. And in this case, since we have 3 1's, we would be adding 3 digits instead of 2 digits as in the previous case. So in this case, this would be 9 plus 0 would be 9. The next one would be 2, 9 and 0. That would be 11 with a carryover of 1. 9, 2, 4 would be 11 plus 4 is 15, 16 with a carryover 1 again. Next 5, 4, 2. That would be 11 plus 1, 12 with a carryover of 1 again. In this case, 5 plus 4 would be 9 plus 0 plus 1 would be 10. The carryover 1 again. So, and the last one would be 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1. That would be 6. So, this would be the answer. This method can be done when we have a multiplier having all 1's. It could be any number of digits of 1's. All we have to remember is that as the number of digits we add would depend on the number of 1's here, and the number of zeros would be 1 less than the number of digits here.